Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Mochiko Chicken, deep fried chicken similar to Japanese Karaage, but it is from Hawaii. This Hawaiian local cuisine has been spreading to mainland US and Japan thanks to its addictive taste and crunch. These are the ingredients. Mochiko chicken is literally made with mochiko, and it is crispy outside because of the flour. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we cut the chicken into small pieces. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, sake, salt, honey, and freshly grated garlic. Add the chicken and marinate at least 30 minutes. On a baking sheet or a large plate, mix mochiko and katakuriko or cornstarch together and coat the chicken pieces with the flour mixture. Then deep fry the chicken at medium-high heat. Turn a couple of times and fry until browned and the chicken is cooked through. Serve with lettuce or other vegetable on the side. Mochiko chicken is well seasoned, but you can squeeze lemon over for a fresh taste. It's crispy outside and juicy inside. If you like fried chicken, you will love the Mochiko chicken.
美味しい。美味しいね。